Well, as we go through the weekend, we're going to be monitoring the potential for some strong thunderstorms and I wouldn't be surprised with some severe thunderstorm warnings and some isolated damaging winds. This will be Sunday night. We've been talking about this forecast for a while, and we've been increasing the chance of rain for Sunday with the higher resolution models coming in today, here this Friday. It looks like most of this is going to happen later in the day, which is good for your outdoor plans, and it's finally going to put an end to all this haze and smoke and poor air quality that's out there now. Over the next 4 days, tomorrow, Saturday, if you're watching it this Saturday, been a beautiful day Saturday, 87 for the high, and then Sunday gets steamy out there. The air gets more unstable, and the storm chances will be early Monday morning, and we're starting to see this disturbance, this frontal boundary, may clear the area by the afternoon on Monday. So we're going to start with the Cape here. This is the convective available potential energy. This is how muggy it's going to be out there. This is going to be Sunday. So what you're going to notice here is if we don't get a lot of storms in the morning, the atmosphere is pretty much going to be primed for these stronger storms late in the evening. So a very warm and muggy day. Cape, we're approaching 2,000 joules here as we get into the afternoon, this gold-colored area. The other thing you'll start to see are going to be thunderstorms, and you'll see those kind of depicted in this area here. It'll become more clear as we go through this in this hour-by-hour presentation here. This is Sunday around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so very muggy air, and we've got a front coming in. So we're going to have to watch this for damaging winds, a very significant amount of lightning with these storms Sunday night as well. About 1,500 joules here by 5 o'clock, still close to 2,000 joules per kilogram. That's the measurement of the instability. Notice how this instability holds as we get later into the day, but we're also going to watch kind of an area from the south, some rain-cooled air perhaps kind of sneaking in here into northeast Alabama around 8 o'clock in the evening. So we are at sunset basically Sunday evening. Notice the thunderstorms developing out here over northern Mississippi into northwest Alabama. We may see a severe thunderstorm watch required for this area thunderstorms. It gets a little bit more organized here as we get on into the 9 o'clock hour. So very significant lightning going on with these storms, very heavy rain, potentially some pea-sized hail as they move to the east. Notice the very narrow corridor here of instability from Boaz down to Tuscaloosa and into the Huntsville metro area around 11 o'clock at night. Still plenty of fuel for these strong to potentially severe thunderstorms. This won't be a tornado threat the way this is coming in, but could see some isolated damaging winds, a lot of lightning, could see power outages due to lightning, things like that. And of course, if you're going to be out there camping, things like that, you may want to be aware of this as this starts to move in, and then it continues to move to the east. This is just before 1 o'clock in the morning, so we're getting into the overnight hours here on into Monday morning around 1 a.m. Very heavy rain, Boaz, Fort Payne down to Birmingham, and then behind all of this, here comes the cooler, more stable air. And as we go forward here, the front may actually clear us, so we may have to adjust the chance of rain Monday, trend it down. That's the thing I'm seeing here. As far as the storm threats against Sunday night into early Monday morning, we're talking winds potentially 50 miles per hour. That could cause some wind damage, fence damage, things like that. This isn't a high-end severe weather threat, but we want to bring it to your attention because it's been a while since we've had a round of some big, robust thunderstorms. These will maintain themselves into the evening hours. They're not going to be the pulse variety, those pop-up thunderstorms that we've been dealing with the last few weeks. These will be stronger. Heavy rain is a given. Frequent lightning could cause some issues, and some smaller hail out there, a possibility. So, Jen, keep this with you. Keep our 48 First Alert weather app with you as well as we go through the weekend. Again, just stay weather alert. Again, this is Sunday night into early Monday morning.